Hello, we have the WASSCE 2023 Mathematics Paper 2, the one written by the Ghanaian students here that we are solving. So let's begin with the first question. In a talent hunt competition of 35 artists, they indicated their interest in playing xylophone, flute, and violin. Out of the number, 24 preferred xylophone, 16 flute, and 18 violin. 8 preferred xylophone only, 2 preferred flute only, and 6 violin only. 4 played all the 3 instruments while 7 preferred xylophone and flute only. Illustrate information in a Venn diagram. Find the number of artists who preferred only 2 types of instrument, only 1 type of instrument. So let's see how we can illustrate this on a Venn diagram. So this is the universal set, which is equal to 35 students or 35 artists. Then we have those xylophone, which is 24, and 16 preferred flute, and 18 violin. We're told that 8 preferred xylophone only, so this xylophone only, 8. Then 2 flute only, so this. Then violin only is 6. 4 played all the 3 instruments, while 7 preferred xylophone and flute only. So 7 preferred xylophone and flute only. Then these ones we don't know, so we use the variable x and y, or any variable that you can use there. Then we're told that 4 preferred all. We have to find the number of artists who prefer only 2 types of instruments. So that will be x plus y plus 7. So x plus y plus 7. We need to calculate for the value of x and the value of y. But we can also do it this way. We can add everything and we should get 35. So when we pick x plus y plus 7 plus 8, then we add it to 6 plus 2 and plus 4, we should get 35. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's add all of these. When you add all of these things here, we will get 20. So we have x plus y plus 7 is equal to 35 minus 20, and that should give us 15. So these are the number who preferred only 2 instruments. It's supposed to be 15. So those who prefer only 2 instruments is this plus this plus this, and that is equal to 15. Then we're also asked to find only 1 type of instrument. So only 1 type of instrument, you add 6 plus 2 plus 8. So I. Only 1 type of instrument is equal to 2 plus 8 plus 6, and that will give you 16. So if you like, you can decide to find the value of x, find the value of y, then you add it to 7. You get the same result as 15. Peggy walked 2 kilometers from a village V to visit a friend in another village W on a bearing of 65 degrees. After spending some time with a friend, she continued to a nearby town X 30 kilometers away on a bearing of 155 degrees. If the distance between V and X is 0.3 kilometers, illustrate the information in a diagram. Calculate correct to the nearest whole number the value of t, the bearing of x from V. So let's say this is point V. On a bearing of 65 degrees, he walked to another point W. So the distance there is 2t kilometers. Now using alternate angles, this angle will be equal to this angle here, which is 65. Then again, we're told that she continued on a bearing of 155 degrees to town X, and the distance is 30 kilometers. So from here to here is supposed to be 180. So you take it from 180 from 155 will give us 25. It means this small angle here is 25 degrees. Good. So we can complete the triangle now. Now we're told that this distance is 6.3 kilometers. Distance from V to X. We have to calculate correct to the nearest whole number, the value of t. So we can use Pythagoras theorem, because if you add 65 and 25, you get 90. So this angle here is 90. So triangle VXW is a right angle triangle. So 2t squared plus 3t squared should be equal to 6√3 squared from Pythagoras theorem. So we can simplify this to get 13t squared equal 36 times 13. Dividing through by 13, we get t squared equal 36. So square root of 36 is 6. Therefore, t is equal to 6 centimeters or 6 kilometers. We're also told that we also asked to find the bearing of x from V. So bearing of x from V. It means you stand at V and calculate this bearing. So we know that from here to here is 65. We know that from here to here is 65. So if we can find this small angle here, this small angle, and add it to the 65, then we'll know the bearing. So this angle here is given by tan theta, or tan V is equal to opposite, which is 3t, which is 18 now, over adjacent, which is 2t, which is 12 now, because t is equal to 6. So V will be equal to tan inverse of 3 over 2, because 18 over 12 is 3 over 2. Then it means our V equal 56.31. Now 56.31 is 56 degrees to the nearest whole number. So we add a 56, this is 56, we add it to the 65, and that will give us the bearing of x from V to be 121 degrees. In the frustrum of a cone, the bottom diameter is thrice the top diameter. If the height of the frustrum is 12 centimeters, calculate the height of the whole cone. Given that the volume of the whole cone is 39,600 centimeter cube, find correct to 4 significant figures, a radius. So the frustrum of a cone, means a cone that is cut at the top. So like this is the cut. So when it is cut like that, we have something like this. So this is the frustrum of the cone. So in that frustrum, we have something like this. So the radius of the down one, they said is the diameter of the down one is 3t. So from here to here is 3t. So half of it is 3t over 2. So this is like 3t over 2. And this one is t. So they say in the fraction of the bottom diameter is 3 times. So if this is t, if this is t, then the bottom one is t time. If the from here to here is t, then the bottom one is 3 times of it. So the radius will be t over 2, and this one to the radius will be 3t over 2. Now, we're told that the height of the frustrum is 12. So from here to here is 12 centimeters. Now we don't know this one, so we can let it be x. From this point to this point, we can let it be x. So we have something like this. This is x, this is 12, and this is t over 2, and this is 3t over 2. So we can use similar triangles to find the value of the height of the whole cone. So the height of the whole cone is from here to here. That is from here to here. So using similar triangles, we have this side over this side, or this side over this side, x over x plus 12 will be equal to this side, which is t over 2 over this side, which is 3t over 2. So x over 12 over x plus 12 will be equal to, the t will cancel and the halves will cancel, 1 over 3. Or this thing, if you want to simplify it step by step, we get t over 2 times 2 over 3t. So this will cancel this and this will cancel this. You get 1 over 3. So 3x will be equal to x plus 12. So 3x minus x will be equal to 12. So this means that 3x minus x is 2x will be equal to 12. So x will be equal to 12 over 2. So x will be equal to 6. So the height of the whole cone, will be equal to x, which is 6 plus 12, which is 18 centimeters. So that is the height of the whole cone, 18 centimeters. Then given that the volume of the whole cone is 3,900 is 39,600 centimeter cube. Find correct to 4 significant figures. The radius of the cone. So we know that the radius of the cone is 3t over 2. So r equal 3t over 2. Now the volume of a cone is given by v equal 1 over 3 pi r square h. So we substitute that to get these values. So we need to simplify this. 3t square is 9t square over 4. When you simplify this, you get 6, multiply, you get that. So when you simplify the whole thing, you get t squared to be equal to 933.333 recurring. So t will be equal to positive square root of 933.333. That will give us 30.5504. So the radius of the cone will be equal to that substitution. Then we simplify to get 45.82. Then to 4 significant figures, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So r will be equal to 45.83 centimeters. In the diagram, ABCDE is a regular pentagon and BFGHIC is a regular hexagon. Find angle AED. So they are just trying to ask you to find the angle AED. AED, this angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pentagon. You know the interior angle of a pentagon is given by angle AED is given by 180 times n minus 2 or n minus 2. Let me do it the way you're familiar with. N minus 2 times 180 degrees over n. So the n here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 2 times 180 over n, which is 5. So you know 180, 5 will go into 180 how many times? 5 will go into 180 divided by 5 is 36. So we get 3 times 36. 3 times 36. That will give you 108 degrees. So 108 degrees. So angle AED is 108 degrees. Then the B part said we should find angle BFG. BFG, this angle here. So that is the interior angle of a regular hexagon, angle BFG. This will give you 6 minus 2 times 180 over 6. You know, 6 will go into 180 30 times. So 4 times 30 degrees will be equal to 120 degrees. Now we are supposed to find angle DCI. Angle DCI. So this angle here. Now this angle here plus this angle plus this angle should be equal to 360 because they are angles at a point. So already we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have this one to be 120 and this one to be 108. So this one will be 360 minus 108. So angle DCI will be equal to 360 degrees minus 120 plus 108 degrees. So that will give us 108 plus 120 will give you 228. So 360 will give you 132 degrees. So this angle is 132 degrees. Now let's look at question number 5. Question number 5. It says that the mean age of a second-year-old class of a school. The mean age of a second-year class of a school is 18 whole number 2 over 5. At the end of the promotion examination, 3 students aged 28, 19, and 19 years were repeated. The new mean age of the class became 18 whole number 1 over 3. Calculate the number of students who were in the class before the promotion examination. So let the number of students in the class be before the promotion examination be n. So let the n represent the number before the promotion exam. So if that is the case, then the mean x bar is equal to summation x over n. When summation x, we're told that the mean is 18 whole number 2 over 5, which is the same as 18.4. So this will be equal to summation x over n. So it means that summation x or summation x will be equal to 18.4n. So I can call this equation 1. And the next thing I'm going to do is to calculate the mean of the students after the promotion exam. So this is the mean before the promotion exam. So the mean after the promotion exam is given by summation x minus the age of the 3 students, 20 minus 19, 20 plus 19 plus 19, all over n minus 3, because the number will reduce now, and that will be equal to 18 whole number 1 over 3. So 18 whole number 1 over 3 is the same as 55 over 3. So summation x is now equal to 18.4n. So 18.4n minus 58 over n minus 3 is supposed to be equal to 55 over 3. So we cross multiply to get so we have 18.4n over minus 58 times 3 is equal to n minus 3 times 55. So let's multiply through by, let's expand 18.4 times 3. That will give us 55.2 minus 3 times 58. That will give you 174 is equal to 55n minus 55 times 3. That will give you 165. So 55.2n minus 55 will be equal to minus 165 plus 174. So 165 plus 174 minus 174. So 174 minus 165 is supposed to be equal to 9. So 9 will be equal to, now 55, 0.2n is equal to 9. So n will be equal to 9 over 0.2. And 9 divided by 0.2 is equal to 45. So there were 45 people before the promotion exam. So you can solve it any other way. Maybe by first of all converting to fraction this number, you will end up at the same result. The continuation of the paper will be uploaded very soon. See you in the next video.